Hey, it's Gabe with API Nation. Today I'm going to show you how you can connect KW Command to Dubb. Dubb is an awesome video and texting platform. It's going to make it so all those contacts and leads you have in KW Command are always automatically added to Dubb. You can even set up an automation in Dubb to catch them as they arrive and send them a greeting, a video greeting, getting your face in front of them, which is going to build that relationship that creates deals. Super easy to set this up. Let me show you how. The first thing you're going to do is go to KW Command. And once you're in here, there's this logo in the top right corner for the marketplace. Go ahead and click that. It's going to take you out to the KW marketplace. And you're just going to search for Dubb. That's D-U-B-B. Search for that, and it's going to bring up the KW Command and Dubb sync. So I'm going to click View Details. And you can read a little bit more about it. This button is going to say Buy App. So you're just going to click that. You're going to go through the buying process, and that allows you to have the app. Once you finish the process, you're going to have a little button down here in the corner that says Go to My Apps. And that's where you need to go to set up this sync. So now that you've purchased the app, it now lives here in My Apps. It hasn't been activated yet. So even if you have KW Command and Dubb, they're currently not yet synced. What we have to do is go ahead and activate it. So I'm going to click through this tile. It's going to take me out to API Nation to go ahead and activate it. Step one is to go ahead and connect Dubb. Pretty easy, just hit this connect button. There's some instructions here. We're going to label our connection. You can label it after you, your team, your office name, totally up to you. This really only matters if you have multiple Dubb accounts that you're connecting to one single API Nation account. I'm going to go ahead and name it after me, Gabe Co. And then I need an API token. If you're logged into Dubb, all you have to do is go ahead and click Dubb API token. Here we go, and here's all my API tokens. You can see they don't really look like much because you don't need to see them. But I do need to create a new token, so I'm going to click this button. I'm going to call this one KW Command. You can call it API Nation or KW Command, totally up to you. And you're going to get this jumble of letters and numbers. That's great. That's what I want. That is the token. So I'm going to hit Command A to highlight all of it. You could also just click 3 times to highlight it all. And then I'm going to hit Command C to copy it, or Control C if you're on Windows. Now I'm going to go back to API Nation and paste the token in there with Control V or Command V and hit connect. All right, so we've connected our Dubb account to API Nation. There's a couple options here. Do I want to sync all contacts from KW Command to Dubb? Totally up to you. If you want to get everybody into Dubb and start sending videos through Dubb, this is a great option. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. And then as they arrive in Dubb, if they currently exist, should I overwrite the information in Dubb, or should I just fill in blanks? I don't really have anybody in Dubb yet, so I'm just going to leave this way. We can override it, totally fine. And then finally, a final check. You're not currently using any other platforms to sync Dubb and KW Command. It's unusual, but we want to make absolutely sure. So we've created the sync. You can see it's not yet active. We have to hit this button first. We're going to do one last check. This looks good. Syncing all contacts. We're overriding information. That's totally fine. You can see here's a filter, and this filter can be used to be a little bit more granular with each sync. So for example, you can pull over people from KW Command who've just been tagged with a certain tag and then send them into Dubb. You can also pull over people from a certain state, zip code. Any of these fields from KW Command you can go ahead and sort on. So what that would look like here is, let's say I want tags, and I'm going to change this to contains, FSBO. So then everybody who's tagged FSBO in KW Command will come over into Dubb. They'll even have the tag in the Dubb tags. So then I can set up an automation in Dubb that looks for that FSBO tag and sends them a special video specifically for sale by owners. Good option there. I'm going to go ahead and clear out the filter. I just want everybody into Dubb so I can start sending videos. Finally, I'm going to come down here to mapping. I got email, first name, last name. We do most of this for you. If there's anything else you want added, just click this plus button, search for the field. Let's add for that phone field, and we can pop it in there. Let's go to the top and activate this sync. There we go. The sync is now up and active. My KW Command contacts and leads are now getting sent over to Dubb Video. You can go to dubb.com to learn more about what Dubb Video is, but you can see it's an easy way to send videos to your clients. And that's it. Now I'm all set up to start sending those videos, building those relationships, getting my face out there to get more deals. If you need any assistance setting this up for you or your team, go to apination.com/KW. There you can call us, send us an email, and even set up a live session of support. We're API Nation, connecting the world's applications. We love doing this stuff.